And welcome back. Following the 300th Monetary Policy Committee held by the Central Bank of Nigeria and the decision to increase interest rates to 20, or rather retain interest rates to 27.5%, which have seen a four-time hike in just 2024 alone. We're joined by our business correspondent who joins us live from Abuja at the scene of the meeting, and that's Chamun Debeng. She was with us earlier. Chamun, you were saying that this was expected. All the analysts are applauding this, but please go ahead with your submission from earlier.
Yes, it was definitely expected, especially for the fact that we're seeing inflation rates starting to slow down. In the last 2 months, we've seen the figures drop. So there's really no reason at this point for the central bank to decide to, take a tightened stance or push the NPR any further, because it does have an effect on lending rates, which did have an impact on the manufacturing sector. And so it was a good decision to take a hold stance this time around to see how the economy plays out before they decide to push it any further.
And what do you think is the reason Nigerians are yet to feel the impact of this improvement in, the macroeconomic indices?
So far, we've seen some level of stability when it comes to our FX exchange rate, coming from NIFEM, from Bureau de Change as well. We're seeing prices of fuel starting to ease, but at the end of the day, the people are not really feeling these impacts because the price of fuel is still on the high side. Dollar is still being traded at 1.5 to 1,600. But what I can say is that the central bank is putting out a lot of policies and working with the private sector as well as other government bodies like the fiscal side of the Nigerian government to make sure that we slow down inflation and have a positive impact on some of our economic challenges. So these improvements will not be felt overnight, but the CBN seems to be very confident that at some point we will definitely feel it here in Nigeria. As the CBN governor said, it's not a question of if, it's a question of when.
And only time will tell then. So fingers crossed, we wait and see how this will pan out in the next couple of months, weeks. Only time will tell. Chamun, many thanks for doing this with us. We appreciate you for coming on. Chamun Debeng there, our business correspondent in Abuja.